Okay, I've opened the stomach now, and I have an assistant taping for me. Show the stomach. Show it, Madison. Okay, not so close. Okay, so I had a little trouble cutting, so we're just gonna bear with me. So the larynx is this cartilage right here, okay, and the trachea somewhere right over here. The one that goes line down. It's right here under that. Okay. Oh, pull up my mask, please. Okay. Okay, and the bronchi down in here. The lungs, one's right here, one's right here. The heart is right here. The diaphragm is this little flap right here. See that little flap? The liver is this big thing right here. The gallbladder, you come over here, Madison. Oh, more towards angled. You need to get under here. Okay, it's this green little thing right here. Okay, unzoom it. Okay, the stomach is right here. Okay. The duodenum, I don't know how to say that. It's the first section from the small intestines, which is right here. Let's see, the pancreas. Okay, the pancreas is right, this little yellow thing under the spleen. Okay, the spleen is this little, unzoom it and back up, please. The spleen is right here. The rectum. The kidneys are these little two, one here and one here. One here and one here. Okay, and urinary bladder is right here. And the udders, all right. Get over here and show it. Okay. Udder one, or I hope I'm saying that right, udder. And it's right here. And then my pig is a female, so its ovaries are right here. There's one, there's two, and the fallopian tubes. All right, bring it back to me. And that's it. Thanks for watching.